How to fix Elden Ring Nightreign failed to log into the game server. Hey friends, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix that annoying failed to log into the game server error while trying to play Elden Ring Nightreign. Just make sure to stick with me till the end because we're going to go through all the steps that could fix this and you don't want to miss anything important. Alright, first thing super basic, just restart your PC. Sounds simple, but sometimes that's all it takes to reset whatever is blocking the connection. Once you've restarted, try launching the game again. If that didn't work, go to your start menu, type run, and open it. Then type in ncp.cpl and hit enter. This opens up your network connections. Now, right-click on the Wi-Fi you're connected to and go to Properties. You'll see a list, make sure F6 is checked. Then click on F4 and hit Properties. Choose the option that says use the following DNS server addresses and type in 8.8.8.8 for the first one and 8.8.4.4 for the alternate. Click OK and close out of everything. Now back to the start menu. Type cmd. Right-click it and run as administrator. Once it opens, type this command ipconfig/flushdns and hit enter. That clears out any bad DNS cache that could be messing with the login. Still not working? No worries. Go to your system settings, then click on Network and Internet. Turn off your Wi-Fi completely. Now, take your phone, turn on the hotspot, and connect your PC to your mobile data. Try launching the game again while you're on the hotspot, and if it logs you in, great. Once you're in the game, you can switch back to your regular Wi-Fi. And that's pretty much it. One of these should fix the issue for you. If this helped, do me a favor, hit that like button and subscribe for more future fixes and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.